Club.
Sir, as you are a doctor, I would like to ask you, sir, any medical support on the route or after completion, and any physiotherapy is provided by you, sir?
So there are two ambulances kept. One right here on in the transition area, in the beach area, and the other one is near about the turnaround point.
I see.
It is equipped with all medical facilities.
I see.
Then there is a nurse also,
I see.
and there is a first aid kit also. And I myself,
and we are shooting here. Just get aside, please.
on this side. And I am myself a doctor. I am on the move. I just went to the till the came back. I went. So far it has been so good.
So much worry is there inside.
No worries. Yeah. So far so good. Yeah. And I am always available.
And any physiotherapy after the run?
Yes, absolutely. We have in the transition area also. There is a physio team.
I see.
Dr. Satin Kumar is our physio partner. He is practices in Akem, and he's provided his team. One in the transition area.
I see.
This is for those people who are just cycling, finishing cycling. Just before the run, they'll be stretching for them if required.
I see.
Or any other support which is required.
I see.
And second is doing the run thing at the Your Story Shack, where they are going to finish out.
Yeah. I will understand.
And we need to slow down. All right.
The finishers, you can see here, finishers of the cycling.
To your finish line to the first leg of Vorrad, 660. 60 down, 6 more to go. Welcome to the finish line, boys. Vorrad 6059 and 6024. You finished your first leg. So slow down, this inbound.
6022.
It was medium. It was okay.
Not tough like. Good. Enjoy the run now. Jitendra sir, after physiotherapy, you feel relaxed like?
Yes, I'm feeling relaxed.
Narsim! Mohit bhai. Mohit, how was the ride? Easy for you, easy for you. Easy for you. Yeah, bye.
Yes, thank you.
Ready, Bob? Woohoo! Age is just a number for Victor here. Xaxtiriders. Wow. Enjoying this? Yes?
Yeah.
This is the beach track where they will run.
The riders are running from.
You have got two options.
Are Baba.
And these two slopes and bend members here. And this Jayu and Mr. Kenny are leading this race now. Wow. Not race,
No race,
but then
just
come this competition. Yeah.
Thank you.
Hi. Carry on, carry on.
Yeah.
Lots of foreigners also attend this beach. Benaulim beach is very much famous, like Kolva and all, Kalangot and all. Wow! Hi buddy! Woohoo!
Propadelerz Cycling Club, when the players are getting injured, mostly the sports injuries because they are getting hamstring tightness. So we have to release for that hamstring tightness muscles. We have nurse and all, and now you have to see they are doing that finger kneading massages and the releasing. Afterwards, we are going to use the cupping for release the spas and the pain.
Welcome.
We are also,
And we're so very glad for you
And
to
then-
finish.
you can see how nicely he is releasing, and we have to do the press one. Yeah. Now feeling better? How do you feel?
I'm feeling much better.
Any pain now that all the shoulders of the calf muscles all gone now? Okay, thank you. And first when you walked, where was the pain? Everywhere.
Yeah, everywhere.
Yeah, mostly the cyclist, but right side hamstring is more tight compared to left side because the right side they are using more. So now we are going to give you the cupping.
to see.
Dr. Vijay will give the cupping and we are releasing the spas. You can see how to that trigger point we are releasing and we are applying here the sanitizer to release all whatever these infection we are getting release. Now you can see. Yeah. This is to release the hamstring muscles. There was a stiffness and the soreness was there. So now we are giving the negative pressure. Dr. Tijal is giving, and then we are increase the blood flow to that area because after the cycling and the weather is also humid. So mostly athletes, the cyclists, they are getting soreness, the cramps and all these things. So afterwards we will do a stretching, then the post spas treatment. Yeah, you can see. It is like a circumduction method we are giving. Okay. And now you can find the difference that the tenderness has gone after using the cupping, it is then a dry cupping, and then we use, and we have to stretch the knee and along with the hip muscles, hip extensor and back extensor. You see, only 5 times. Same way we have to do here. Whatever.
We have our next finisher coming. Coming. Yay.
Done. How do you feel now, sir?
I am feeling better.
There we have. So can we have you?
Yeah. Here you have to just keep ice pack and you have to sit here. You have to
What's
sit
your
here.
name?
Sit here. Sit.
Other nice.
And then yes, this is manipulation. Grade 1 to 2 for your
medal. Congratulations and completing it. Congratulations. Your name? How was it?
How do you feel now? See.
I can say everything with the running in the sand was the most difficult part of it.
Yeah, there is a soft tissue injury that ना quad से spasm है इसका, है muscle, release कर पाए.
I like when cyclists put incline also best thing. That's like, I don't know what you have your names, please.
I'm just giving a stretch to the quadriceps muscles along with extension.
We hope you
This is to release the hip as well as the quads.
Very testing run and an extremely testing cycle.
Okay. Now you can just turn.
And it's really
Yeah, thank you. This is the hamstring stretch.
Nixon go!
Getting the stretch?
Congratulations, congratulations.
It's not too much, right? It's fine.
Please receive your medal.
I'm also stretching the gastrocnemius muscle.
Yes. We have a special selfie point when all of you get together. We'd love for you to take a selfie.
So now we're removing the hamstring muscle, stretching
as
it.
a group with you. We've got
Hamstring is one of the major muscles
if you
of
go outside on the way out,
And like after cycling, a lot of lactic acid buildup happens. So
congratulations,
when you're stretching, we avoid them from cramping
finishing
further.
with a big leg. Finishing the run, my mental.
So once you stretch the hams, then you go for the calves. You should avoid going directly to the calves because major lactic acid buildup happens in the calf.
Ladies, this way, to your medal. Okay, physio, congratulations for completing. Congratulations. This way, please. For the medal.
I'm feeling respect.
Well, we're going in. It's nice to have you.
After this physio, I'm feeling much better. My all muscles are calf and thighs are relaxed. So I'm totally fresh. I can do this again. I think that is so good.
What do you have to tell everybody?
This is the Benaulim beach. Beautiful beach.